Hello fellas again, and I have a DDF482 drill and has some strange loose noise, so I need to disassemble it to check it. Yep, we can see that the fan is moving around. And strange jargon looks darker, like overheated or something, but it's just working good. Okay, so I will try to run it without winding. Okay, now I can test it. And okay, it sounds a little bit noisy, so the armature is heated. It can run or something, of course, without a fan, but the motor can overheat easier. So I will ask the owner of the drill what he want to do, to leave it or not, and if he will not leave it, I will back with the armature replacement.